it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been looking for custom seat covers, check these ones out. They fit like a glove. They are by PTYYDS. I love that they're custom fit for all three of my rows. I still can use my cup holder in the middle row and have access to those buttons that allow me to open and utilize all the functions, including the seat belt. I love that I can spray it and it just is so easy to keep clean, and my car looks so beautiful with these seat covers on it. They stay looking nice, and the quality after many uses still looks incredible. They were easy to install. I loved that all the headrests are covered. It came with this tool that makes it really easy to cinch that material underneath the plastic, and it wasn't difficult at all. I did it all by myself. It comes with these gloves that I can use if I need. I also like that I can reach around the bottoms of the seats without taking off the seats. I can easily reach under and secure it. Once these seat covers are installed, they stay in place, and I love that about them because they were made to fit the original car design. I have the 2017 Toyota 4Runner. This is good for or compatible for 2011 through 2024. I like the quality of these seat covers. I like that they're comfortable, and I like that they're luxurious. I can still fold my seats down with these covered. I also like that it has a high quality material, and I also like that I can use my heated seat function, use my buttons. It also has this vital hidden airbag cutout. I like that it has this storage pocket behind the seats, and this has just been the best addition to our 4Runner, so we have really enjoyed using this.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.